Hello guys, back to my YouTube channel All to Share. And guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how you can decorate your balcony in a very low cost price so that you can recreate a Buddha scene in this very low cost. So in this video you're going to see that. Please do subscribe and like this video before we start. Now let's get started with the video. This is the place that I have selected. So this is how I'm going to decorate it. In this video you're going to see the detailed process. So we have recreated this like this. So let's get started with the process of making it. So let's get started with the video. Now we are going to place a table here. This table is also not useful for me. So behind the table I have placed this areca palm. You can place anything which is a bit longer. On top of the table I have placed this grass plant. The decorative items are my DIY. You can find the link in description box. Guys, now for more decoration I am placing this Buddha here. So in every home this is present and even in my home. So I am going to use it here for recreating this beautiful scene. Finally, to cover this stool area here, I am placing this plant. So if you have noticed it pot, make sure to comment down below in the comment section. So now to add more beauty to this situation, I have kept two same type of pots and plants on the either side of this place. So guys, recently I have started the series of explanation every Sunday coming in my channel. If you want me to clear any topic of your syllabus, make sure you comment down below the topic name, the subject, the syllabus that may be ICSE, CBSE and your class that may be 7th, 8th or 9th. So make sure to comment down below. Bye bye guys, that's it for the video.